Welcome to Nokia, a company where the management is now strongly focusing on personal development planning or PDP. So let's ask a few people within the company what their opinions on PDP are.
Of course I know PDP. It's Physical Development Program.
PDP is actually a huge stickiness factor which actually makes you decide whether you want to stick with an organization or leave it.
Hi Vineet, multitasking again?
What to do यार? We live in busy times. Oh, और वो जायरस का PDP भी तो निपटाना था. Let me call him.
Hey, hi Zaris.
Hi Vineet.
I was actually going through the PDP form that you had sent me. Let's see what you've written, huh?
Hello, ये phone पे ही करना है?
Why? What's wrong with that? It's a 10-minute job, yeah. Huh. Yeah, Zaris. Tell me what you've written.
Boss, the first point was on achievement over target.
Achievement? अरे, Zaris, this is not IIP discussion, यार. ये achievement कहाँ से आ गया? We are doing PDP, Personal Development Planning.
PDP? Yeah, anyways, boss, I have written it. Why don't you read it?
I am reading it right now, yeah. Huh, this the first target that you've got. I think, just 1 minute, Zaris. Hey, Zaris, there's a very important call from Espu, huh? Just be on the line, yeah? I'll be a minute.
Lo kar lo PDP.
Huh, Zaris? Yeah, sorry for this, yeah. Where were we?
Boss, I can't hear your voice. Your voice is cutting.
Hello, Zaris? Yeah. Is it better now? Zaris, actually, I think we will, I've got the document, so maybe I'll just go through it. I'll fill it up in the tool. ये तो हो ही गया. And then when we meet, I think we can have a longer discussion.
Sure, boss.
Okay, Zaris.
So these are your two colleagues discussing the PDP. But is this the right way? Certainly not. A PDP discussion should never happen through mail or over the phone.
So tell me, Zaris, what are your short-term and long-term goals?
Having worked in retail in the region now for 2 years, I feel that it's the next level for me is to look at a national retail role.
That's great. But tell me more about it.
Well, if you see, I moved into this role in the region some time ago, and I really enjoyed working in retail. I've built up some skills, and therefore, if I have to take it to the next level, then it has to be that I have to look at the national responsibility, and so I want to move into a national retail role.
Interesting. But in Nokia, we encourage people to actually look and develop multiple skills. So maybe you should look at something like GTM or branded retail. Have you ever thought of that?
I see you're doing well, but just a small tip.
Frozen?
Absolutely. But just a small tip. Test the commitment of the employee to make the career change by checking for adaptability, aspiration level, and engagement level with Nokia. Vineet, that's bravo. You're doing very good. I hope you maintain this with your other subordinates.
And I hope you've taught that to my boss too.
Ma'am, can I remove these food articles for you?
Sorry, I'll do that.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, if you'll allow me, can I keep this microwave on this table?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, ma'am.
What exactly is the problem? Are you able to diagnose it?
Ma'am, I think there's some problem with the power supply. Let me first check. It could even be a minor fault. Ma'am, I have checked the microwave. There's some problem with the fuse. But don't worry, I have a new fuse with me and it will cost you only ₹35 and I'll replace it right now.
But how did the fuse get damaged?
I'll tell you, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, fuse is a safety device. Whenever there is a voltage fluctuation, it will cut off on its own and prevent damage to other major parts.
Okay, then please replace the fuse.
Sure, ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, I have replaced the fuse and now your microwave will work fine.
Wow, that's great. Your service is really very fast.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I have checked your microwave thoroughly and it's working fine. Would you like to operate your microwave right now?
Sure. I'll bring something.
Yes, ma'am. Please, ma'am, you do it. Ma'am, just be careful.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Sanjay. That was really useful.
My pleasure, ma'am. I hope you're satisfied with our product and our service.
Yeah, Sanjay, I really appreciate your service.
Thank you, ma'am. Let me clean this work area for you. Ma'am, could you please sign this job sheet?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, here's your bill of rupees 250, including service charges and 10% tax, and rupees 35 for the spare part.
Thank you very much.
Thank you to you, ma'am. I'll call Miss Shruti first.
Hello?
Good morning, ma'am. This is Sanjay from Samsung Service. Could I talk to Miss Shruti, please?
Yes, this is Shruti.
Hello, ma'am. I just wanted to inquire if your microwave is working fine.
Yeah, it's working perfectly fine. Thanks for calling, Sanjay.
It's okay, ma'am. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Sanjay asked for product location. Sanjay discussed the problem before troubleshooting. He also explained the cause of the defect and gave a one-time solution. Sanjay thoroughly checked the product for any other defect. He gave safety tips to the customer. He educated the customer about product warranty. He also cleaned the product and work area. He filled the CSR card properly. He even followed up with the customer to check if the product was working fine.
Good morning, sir. Please have a seat. How may I help you?
Why do you make people wait for so long? Don't you have any value for people's time? I'm in a hurry. I need to rush for an office meeting. And I can't make any calls because this bloody phone is not working.
Sir, we are extremely sorry that you have to wait. Sir, may I know what is the problem with your handset?
I'm unable to make any calls. The display is flickering and the number is not showing up on the screen.
Sir, let me check your handset warranty status on the Nokia site. Sir, your phone is in warranty. Sir, let my engineer check what is causing this. Nokia has a very systematic process of collecting customer feedback. Sir, I'm sorry to inform you that your handset is liquid locked, but please be assured that we'll try our best to fix your phone. Can I request you to please fill up the declaration form for data backup? Thank you, sir. Good evening, sir. How are you doing, sir?
I've come here because you people called me to collect my handset.
Yes, sir. Your handset has been repaired. Can I get a copy of the job sheet so that I can get it? Sir, I can see from your job sheet that a loaner unit has been issued to you. I'm sure you must have brought it.
Yes. How can I forget?
Thank you, sir. Sir, since you'd given the phone to us for display flickering, you can check. The display is okay and the handset is working fine.
Seems to be working fine.
Thank you for visiting Nokia Care.
Thank you.
Here the customer was aggressive and the CCO followed all the guidelines properly with appropriate behavior, which made customer experience good at Nokia Care. What was right? CCO was properly dressed up as per the guideline issued by Nokia. Gave assurance to the customer for good and reliable service. Probed to know the exact problem faced by the customer. Explained about the right process to give the feedback to Nokia. Issued the proper receipt to the customer. While delivery, she fixed back the SIM, MMC and the battery herself. She demonstrates that the problem has been fixed for which the handset is deposited. She issued the proper bill after adjusting estimation charges. She pitched about MMC to customer at the right time by using the right tone. Gave a smiley slip for feedback.
आपके यहाँ पर बिस्किट्स और ऐसे आइटम्स का सेल कैसा है?
आजकल सेल थोड़ा कम है।
ये अलाइवा बिस्किट्स बेक्ड हैं और आटे और दाल के बने हुए हैं। और इतना ही नहीं, ये चटपटे क्रैकर्स इंडियन टेस्ट को हिसाब में रखते हुए 4 फ्लेवर्स में बनाए गए हैं।
पता नहीं, पर ये बिल्कुल नया है।
अगर आप अलाइवा के आकर्षक डिस्पेंसर में स्टॉक डिस्प्ले करेंगे तो कस्टमर को ज़रूर मालूम चलेगा और इसकी डिमांड ज़रूर आएगी। और मैं इसका POS भी लगाऊंगा जिसका सेल पर ज़रूर असर पड़ेगा।
चलो 16 पीस दे दो।
सर, आपके सेल ट्रेंड को देखते हुए हमें थोड़ा कैटेगरी में और कैश टिल के पास और जगह मिलनी चाहिए।
नहीं भाई, कैटेगरी में तो आधे से ज़्यादा जगह है तुम्हारे पास।
सर, मैं आपको समझाता हूँ। आप देखिए, लेज और कुरकुरे का माल कितनी तेज़ी से बिकेगा। बस आप 2 और शेल्फ्स दे दीजिए कुरकुरे का और देखिए क्या असर पड़ता है सेल पर।
बात तो ठीक है।
और हमारा मकसद हमेशा यही रहा है और रहेगा कि कैसे आपकी दुकान से सेल बढ़ाने के नए नए तरीके ढूंढे। देखिए सर, सिंपल सी बात है, कस्टमर खुश तो आप भी खुश और आप भी खुश तो हम भी खुश। चलिए सर, मैं आपके ऑर्डर का हिसाब बना देता हूँ। सर, आपका ऑर्डर लगभग 2000 रुपये का बना है।
ठीक है।
ठीक है सर, मैं अभी चलता हूँ।
हाँ।
आपसे सोमवार को फिर से मुलाकात होगी।
हाँ ठीक है।
ओके सर,
ओके,
बाय।
बाय।
विजय ने प्रेजेंटेशन के दौरान डीलर बुक का इस्तेमाल किया। स्टोर चेकिंग के दौरान जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज जैसे कैश टिल के पास कस्टमाइज्ड रैक सामने आया तो उसका जिक्र किया। अलाइवा का ऑर्डर लेते समय अलाइवा प्रोडक्ट डिटेलर का इस्तेमाल किया। रिटेलर के ऑब्जेक्शंस और डिमांड को अच्छे से हैंडल किया। स्टोर सुपरवाइजर से संबंध बढ़ाने के लिए ठीक समय पर बात की।